When initially discussing with the owners to find out their requirements, we created some sketches of our ideas on how we can implement them into the design. This country house was designed for a visual artist and musician and her partner and collaborator. They would often use the house for exhibitions and receive visitors, with whom they spend days together running informal workshops, singing and playing instruments, or just enjoying life. Moreover, they like gardening and exhibit many of their sculptures in this area. They wanted a simple design like a chalet or a countryside home, which would be open to their family and guests. Gravatá weather is considered semi-arid, with influence of the Serra da Russa Serra. 7 meters high. The average annual temperature of 221 DC, with minimum reaching 15 degrees C. In the cooler months, while the hottest time, peak temperatures can reach close to 30 watts. They wanted to make use of the outdoor spaces, allowing them to enjoy al fresco living, but they also wanted the allure of the cooler days in a chalet. The concepts also had to be harmonic with the landscape and with an uncomplicated design. The environmentally conscious owners also wanted us to source the materials locally, as they did for their work. As the plot is relatively small, measuring 500 mm2, increasing the height of the house allowed us to enlarge the lateral gaps that are usually between the house and the neighboring future buildings, giving a perception of a bigger home. This was also designed to increase the visibility from inside to the outside, since the diagonals further extend the spatial perception. This serves to complement the local environment, mirroring mountains in the surrounding valley where different levels serve as lookouts, creating impressive viewing points during sunrise and sunset. 7 meters high. Okay, well, but there were is there's them at the humans. Somewhere where they work little runways during sunrise and sunset. They like gardening and exhibit many of their sculptures in this area. They wanted a simple design like a chalet or a countryside home, which would be open to their family and guests. Regular weather is considered semi-arid, with influence of the Serra da Russa Serra. They wanted to be hoppers as a little cooler days and a chocolate living, but they also wanted to endure of the cooler days in a chalet. The concepts also had to be harmonic with the landscape and with an uncomplicated design. The environmentally conscious